I really wanted to know him more. Hindi na siya sumagot.
Why did you not answer my email?
I answered to your email.
Ay, may revelation. Who is the first one who usually initiates sexy time?
Parang mas ako. LDR kami, tapos parang, syempre, ipon na ipon lahat pag hindi kayo magkasama. No? Suko siya. Are you willing to do porn with me?
Oh my gosh! I love that!
Oh, yes.
And I'm willing to try anything.
Oh.
I'm very romantic. No, just
yes,
nice light, and then I say, let's fuck.
Naalala ko yung interview ni Dolly De Leon, Katukayo, no? Dolly, si Dolly
Yes,
De Leon. And you were surprised that she admitted that you were the one who sent her kids to school.
So much. Nagulat ako. Alam mo, hindi naman sinasadya na I really wanted to help her.